If you're a plus size, then you would have realized that actually bed is your best friend. And it's so true. You eat in bed, you sleep in bed, you even watch TV in bed, then why can't you exercise in bed? This is what today's video is all about, a set of simple exercises which you can do in the comfort of your own home, your own room, your own bed to lose that belly fat. I have many people who join my weight loss program and they are often plus size people. For them, it's very difficult to stay motivated and do rigorous exercises on a daily basis. Even brisk walking seems a faraway dream. But with clean eating habits and pairing these exercises, they have seen tremendous results with their belly fat melt away. So those very exercises are here for you today on my special video. This is a special edition on special demand by all of you. I'm sure you're going to take full benefit of today's video. So what are we waiting for? Let's begin this super easy and simple set of exercises which are completely beginner friendly. No equipment needed. If you have a bed, you can lose your belly fat. What are we waiting for? Let's do it together. So let's begin with the first exercise. You have to sit up straight in the bed with your legs absolutely straight, your shoulders pushed backwards and your spine straight. You have to tuck your core in because that's the target area. We have to target our belly fat, be it your front belly, your side belly, those love handles. We have to get rid of all of that. For that, all you have to do is lift your hand up to your chest level and then try and touch your knee. Exhale when you bring your leg forward and then back, but your toes should not be pointing outwards but rather inwards. This exercise is fabulous for your lower belly fat. For the next exercise, you have to sit like this again, your back straight and your core tucked in tight. Now you don't have to leave your legs like this, but rather lift it up to about 45-degree angle. And now you have to be in a position of Namaste. This is what we do in India to greet the guests. And now we have to take both our leg and arms in opposite directions like this. So it's very easy and effective and it actually targets your entire belly area. Let's do it together. Alright then, let's move on to the third exercise. For that you have to lay straight in bed, absolutely core tucked in at all times. Then you have to bring your knee up all the way up to your nose. Breathe out at that time and then here with the other leg. So this is a very easy and effective belly fat reduction exercise. Let's do it together. For the next exercise, again you have to lay straight, but this time around we are going to support our back with our hands with our palm facing downwards. And once we have supported our back, the round of the back should be touching the bed. So now we are going to lift the entire lower body up, and this is so effective for your lower belly fat. Let's do it together. The next exercise is a belly fat buster with the help of a cushion. Let's do it together. All you have to do is raise the cushion up to your chest level, core tucked in tight, and you have to put your legs out absolutely straight and bring up your one knee at a time. Try and touch the cushion. Try and touch the cushion with your toes. Bring your entire leg up like this, up to 90 degrees. Let's do it together. For the next exercise, just keep your core tucked in tight and follow along. It's very easy. Let's do it together. So easy and so effective. I'm already out of breath doing these simple and easy set of bed exercises. Now, no need for a cushion to hide that belly fat. You're definitely gonna get a slim waist and absolutely enjoy wearing all your fitted clothes. Your clothes will fit in well and you sure will drop a size. All you have to do is do these exercises along with me every single day. But the only little tip that actually is gonna take you a long way to finally achieving your dream waist size is that you have to follow clean eating habits. Try and keep yourself active through the day and eat freshly cooked meals. Don't compromise on your health by eating junk and processed food, because that's the main reason why often you actually develop a belly area fat. Now, this belly fat is sure going to be busted, and finally you can say bye-bye to your belly fat. So out of all these exercises, which one did you enjoy the most? And do let me know in the comment section, because I often await your response, your comments, and all the love that's pouring in. I'm sure you love my videos. That's how we have become a 1 million family on YouTube. Thank you so much for all the love and appreciation, and I'm gonna see you soon with many more exciting videos. Until then, take care.